I found a robot that has gained over 1000% in the last 3 months alone. I was hesitant to even start testing it because I really believed it's a scam. However, one of my team members placed it on a demo account and it immediately made 10% without huge risk. So I took the chance and added it to my 100k project on a $1000 live account. And guess what? It started profiting. And here is the unbelievable track record. You can see that it started on the 6th of February this year, and until the end of April, it made over 1034% gain. And one of the reasons for being skeptical is that the life update for this track record is not checked. You can see it right in here, and it was last updated on the 29th of April this year. And I'm recording this video on the 4th of May, which is 5-6 days later. Now the live updates in my FX book costs money, and the pity is that we cannot see the open trades. So it says open orders are private, but we can see all the trades in the history. And whenever you're watching the video and you decide to test this expert advisor, you can compare your closed trades with the broker you're using with the closed trades from the vendor, because here in my FX book you can see exactly when the trade opened and when it closed. But the reason I decided to give this robot a chance is because of the risk it is taking. So the expert advisor is called Japan Strike from Robot Forex Pro, and this is version 1. And look at that. In my demo account, we set it up with 0.01, and it's not increasing the lots. It doesn't use an aggressive grid martingale system. If I show you all of the trades that opened and closed, so I'll increase the history tab, and you will see that there were plenty of trades. Some hit the take profit, others hit the stop loss, but it uses some kind of a trailing stop loss, because you can see that this order hit the stop loss and it ended on a small loss, but the previous one also had the stop loss, but it ended up with a profit. And for me it was really impressive that it is not increasing the lot. It is trading always with 0.01. And if I increase the chart and I show you the trading, you will see that it starts opening short trades. It adds to the position, but it's not increasing the lot. So it trades with 0.01 and again 0.01 and again 0.01 and again 0.01, and then it beats either the take profit or the trading stop loss. Obviously, if the price goes in the right direction, it closes the trade. And right in here at the current moment, that actually was on Friday, and I record this video Sunday because during the weekends I overview the best performers, and I decided to record this video and show you the performance of this new expert advisor I'm trading. So we can see that it opened a short trade, another short trade, a third position, and they are currently open. So the price goes up, it keeps selling with 0.01, and look at that, the take profit is at 144 and 45 pips, which is right in here. And if the price continues higher, it will continue opening short trades. Now if I show you the track record of this demo account, you will see that my drawdown, so it happened just twice that I had bigger drawdown, and you can see that the equity dropped from 1087 down to 1018. And if I go to stats and I go to the charts and I switch to floating profit loss in percentage on hourly base, you will see that my equity drawdown is below 10%, which means that I can try this expert advisor on prop firms and on funded accounts. And in the end of the video, I'll share with you which are the new 3 accounts I'll be starting on Monday. And if I go to my VPS and show you my live account, you will see that all of the trades that executed are profitable. Very small profit, but I don't have a losing trade. And the profit is small because this is a $1000 live account. And if I show you the properties, you will see that I decided not to use the aggressive mode. So I kept it to false, and I've set max percentage percentage drawdown of 30, just in case the price goes in one direction for a longer period of time and it keeps adding to the position. So at one moment I will need to cut it, and it has this function to limit the max drawdown. I also performed a back test that you can see it right in here. It is MetaTrader 4 unfortunately, and I don't have a lot of historical data. It starts from the end of February this year, but if I show you the report, you will see that the relative drawdown is 18.5% and the robot made $134 in a $1,000 account. And obviously the vendors didn't achieve this 1000% gain with safe settings and max drawdown limitation, and probably they used very aggressive inputs to achieve these results. I mean, look at that. The monthly performance is really mind-blowing. 91% in February, 228% in March, and in April 79.7%. So I have to admit this is impressive track record and it's hard to achieve. I don't know how they've done it, but it's understandable. They're trying to sell the EA, so they want to show great returns. But I remain skeptical when I see such results, and if I test the robots, I always do it with the lowest risk possible. But because I am happy with the results I see so far, I'll be starting a new DAWINX Zero account with the Japan Strike EA, and it will cost me €38 a month. However, what I would prefer to do recently is to grab either the 1-year plan, which is €405, or the 3-year plan, which gives me a coupon for 235 where I can get a permanent allocation. And I tested this feature on DAWINX and it works, and I will show it in my next video. So if you don't want to miss it, you know what to do. So with DAWINX, the best deal is the 3-year plan. It's just the cheapest, and I usually apply the coupon for the 5% target, and I pay the difference between the price and the coupon they will send me after I get the plan. I'll leave the link to DAWINX down below in the description because it's a very suitable platform if you want to test a new strategy, a new expert advisor, or if you want to practice in real trading environment. And if you apply the coupon Petko, you will get an extra discount, which is something I personally take advantage of. The second account where I'll be testing this Japan Strike EA is trading.com account, because with the Forest Gold Investor I already reached stage 4, and for the first time I received a 5-figure withdrawal from this platform as a profit split, and I really want to see if the Japan Strike will be able to go through the different stages and stay within the 10% drawdown. Based on the performance I see so far, it is supposed to achieve it. And the third account I'll be starting today for the 100k project is based on the results I already have from one of the accounts, and that's the Hippie Algorithm Pro, which I'm currently trading on iPhone's account. It achieved 6%, and I want to have it on another trading.com account to see if it will be able to achieve the 20% target. But the strategy behind is very similar because it trades with the same lots. If I show the closed orders, you will see that it is trading with the very same quantity, and then I just increased to 0.06, and you will see that it's not adding to the position, so it's not using an aggressive grid martingale system. And by the time my editors edit this video, because sometimes it takes them a lot of time, like I repeated the last sentence probably 10 times, and by the time my editors edit this video, but by the time we publish the video, I will set up these accounts and you will see the track records and the performance in the 100k project page that is available on our website. As always, guys, thanks so much for watching today's video. Check out this video on my side if you have missed the podcast with the CEO of DAWINX, because it was very useful. As always, I love you, trade safe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.